Today, before we start Writer's Workshop, Emily wanted me to read you one of her favorite stories. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. For my sister, Krista. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon, or a chrysalis, around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. The end.
That was a great story. After listening to it, Nikki and I started talking. She said she would rather stay a caterpillar because then she could sit on a leaf and eat all day. I told her that I would rather turn into a butterfly because then I could fly over all the houses and see what was going on. What do you think? What is your opinion? Can you tell us what you would do if you were the caterpillar? Would you rather stay a caterpillar or turn into a butterfly?
Okay, boys and girls, today for Writer's Workshop, you're going to write your opinion on whether you think the caterpillar should stay a caterpillar or turn into a butterfly. So remember, while you are writing today, first think about what your choices are. Then decide which choice you think is best. And finally, don't forget to explain why you made your decision. Today, try to write 2 reasons why you made your decision. We can't wait to see what you write. Bye, boys and girls.